Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to calculate the total working days in the selected period with exclusion of Saturday, Sunday and holiday. A real world case and solution in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So this is a Power BI file. I have two tables, one is holiday table, other one is the calendar table. And if you look at the left side below, this is the holiday table. We have two holidays on January, one is on February. And I have selected the slicer 1st of February to 29th of February. And it's saying 20 as a working days exclusive of Saturday and Sundays. So if you look at February here in the calendar, there are 9 days as Saturday and Sunday. So 29, because it is leap year, 29 minus 9, it is 20 working days. And if you look at inclusive of holidays, it is saying 19 because we had holiday on 21st February, that is on Friday. Now let's have a look at January. We have 31 days in January, and if you take the weekends, we have 8 days. So 31 minus 8, it is saying 23 here. And then if you consider also the holidays, it is taking 22. Even though we have 2 days holiday on January, but it is considering only 1 days because the 26th January comes on Sunday. If holiday comes on the weekend, then we are not going to consider this as an holiday. So it is 22 days. Let's have a look at the tax function, how I have achieved it. Before to that, let's go and see the tables. So this is my holiday table, holiday date, holiday name, and I am arriving a weekday number using this weekday tax function. So weekday, comma 2, the date column, it is asking for comma, it is asking for return type. Return type we have 3 kinds. One is one start from Sunday through Saturday 7, and second start from Monday to Sunday, and Monday 0 to Sunday 6. Now we are going to use it 1 as a Sunday and 7 as Saturday. Sorry, we are using 1 as a Monday and 7 as Sunday. So second option. And then I'm getting it weekday name using the format option, format DAX, holiday table, holiday, comma DDDD, it gives the weekday name based on the date. And then let's have a look at the calendar table. It is just a calendar. I have made a video about how to create a calendar in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, I'm just calculating the calendar, the date from 1st of Jan to today's date. And then the next column, I'm using the weekdays to know the week date, which days it is, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. Now let's have a look at the visuals and then the DAX calculation. For this one, total working days, I have declared a variable as total weekday count and then use the calculate count X. I am using this filter table and then table comma weekday name is not equal to 6 and 7. If you consider from Monday as the starting date, then Saturday and Sunday comes for 6 and 7. So I'm not using these two dates. So I'm filtering the table for exclusive of Saturday and Sunday and then taking the table value using the count X. And I'm returning the weekday count as an output. It gives me this value. Now let's have a look at this one with inclusive of holiday. Here I'm declaring two variables. One is the, as I said before, weekday count, same as before, and then separate one for holiday count. So calculate holiday X, filtration, same holiday date table. I'm excluding the Saturday and Sunday from this as well. If the holiday comes under Saturday or Sunday, I'm not going to consider this as a holiday. After that, comma, holiday count, I'm taking a total count, and on the return, I'm using weekday count minus if it is a blank. Maybe there is no holiday on this particular month or a particular selected period, so it will return blank. If it returns blank, then I need the 0 value to make a subtract for this weekday count. If not, then it returns the holiday count. So weekday count minus holiday count in short. This gives me this DAX result, 22 days. So in January we have 31 days, but working days is 23 and actual working days is 22 inclusive of holidays. If you consider from January and then February for 2 months, totally we have 60 days. Out of 60 days, we have 43 days working only for Saturday and Sunday. If we include the holiday as well, the 41 days is the only working day in these 2 months, January and February. So this is how you can able to calculate the total working days in the selected period with exclusive of Saturday, Sunday and holiday. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.